Hello. Welcome to how to create shortcuts for commonly used Office applications on Windows computers. Drag and drop. Just a few simple steps to create a shortcut. There are a few other methods, but in my opinion, this is the simple and fast way. I continue to create shortcuts for Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word. On the desktop will be many and messy over time, so I pin the frequently used applications in the Start menu or on the taskbar. So I have 3 places to open Office applications quickly and conveniently. Excel. More. Pin to taskbar. Outlook. Outlook. More. Pin to taskbar. PowerPoint. Pin to Start. Pin to taskbar. Word. More. Pin to taskbar. Word. PowerPoint. Excel. Outlook. Pin to taskbar. Excel. Outlook. PowerPoint. Word.